Watch this video and learn how to draw this. Oh my goodness. Later in the show, we're all going to sing a song. It'll be marvelous. Is everybody ready? It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello little artist and welcome to Artie's show. This is going to be a fun day. We're going to do a drawing together. Yay!
How wonderful to see everyone today!
It sure is. Thanks for coming back.
I'm so excited to start. Are you ready? Are you excited? Then let's begin.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hello, Bunny.
Did you miss me? 'Cause I missed you.
No.
Wow, I'm hopping with excitement over this drawing, Artie.
Oh, thank you.
Have a hoptastic day. Bye.
Bye. Keep watching, because in a few minutes, we're all going to sing a song. I love drawing so much. Okay, little artists, let's stop and sing a song. I want you all to sing along. Get up and dance too. Are you ready? Here it comes.
My kitty cat, my kitty cat. She is my best buddy. She's white and black, talks loud and well. Listen and see if you can hear her. I like milk, sweet fat milk in the morning. Meow. I stay up late jumping most nights. Meow. My kitty cat, my kitty cat. She's even friendly with the rats. My kitty cat, my kitty cat. She is my best buddy. Her nose is pink, feels warm and wet. She gives me kiss after kiss. I like milk, sweet fat milk in the morning. Meow. I stay up late jumping most nights. Meow. My kitty cat, my kitty cat. She's She's even friendly with the rats. My kitty cat, my kitty cat. No one is like her. The shortest tail and the softest fur. I cuddle and she starts to purr. I like mixed sweet fat milk in the morning. Meow. I stay up late jumping most nights. Meow. My kitty cat, my kitty cat. She's even friendly. Meow. She's even friendly. Meow. She's even friendly with the rats. Meow.
That was the best song ever! But it's time to carry on with the drawing. Come along.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
You can say that again.
That's amazing!
Oh, I think I'm finished. Oh, it looks so good. I'm really pleased with it. Do you like it, little artist? Oh, good. Now there's one thing missing. Color. Should we color it in? Yeah, come on, let's color it.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I'm finished. Oh, wow. It came out really, really good. I love the color and the shapes. Oh, I'm so proud of this one. Ah, really, really nice.
We hope you enjoyed the show. Carrot kisses and bunny wishes.
Well, that's the end of the show. I hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't it fun? I loved it. Hope you enjoyed the drawing and the song. And we'll see you again soon on Artie's show. Bye-bye for now. Bye.